Hello, my name is Mary. You're welcome to my channel. Thank you for finding time again to share your moments with me. This video was meant to be like a vlog, and the noise was so much that I thought I could just do voiceover. So this is me at the shop, and I'm trying to rearrange the shop and then to move my business online. The business has been running for a while now, and with the new post-COVID, everything is now online and we need to be there. So I'm going to take you through everything that we have in the shop today. I'm not doing commentary, so let me just take it easy. Now I'm going to wear my glasses so I could see you properly. Can you see me? Did you subscribe? I forgot to ask. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're new into my channel, I appreciate your stopping by. We have lovely things here. Please subscribe to my channel. To the returning subscribers, woo, I love you guys. Thumbs up to you guys, and please remember to thumbs up to me as well. Thank you. Now let me turn my gorgeous model to look at you. This model, while I was filming, I didn't know it was awkwardly, positioned. So I will adjust her back again. Because it's a vlog, I just thought I should leave it the way it is. Remember to subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate you. We are almost there. You know what? I was just thinking to myself, and I was like, why doing the business the old traditional way when you can actually take your business to everybody in their home, when you can take business very close to your customers? And that informed my decision to move the business online. With this business online, I can serve everybody globally, and I am glad because I'm going to reach out to 1,001 people on the planet. So I'm going to introduce you to this particular gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I love it. Look at the headband. Lovely. This headband was made for a client who had a wedding, and I decided to keep this one for myself. It's actually lovely, and I have lots of them in that basket. So if you're interested, just give us a call, or all you need to do is buy online. And I have my gorgeous scrunchies. This scrunchies is so nice. Most of the time when I dress, I use them. And I have this. You can use it as well as your necktie when dressing. It's gorgeous. Like I told you, we have lots of this bow in my basket there. This is a lavender girl's bow. You can just attach it to any of their dress depending on the color. And then I have this table mat. Oh, it met with African fabric. I love African fabric. Everywhere in my house is African. I love it. Just embrace it. It's really lovely. So it's a table mat. You can use it. I made some for a client, and I decided to keep one for sample. Then I have this lovely half-top dress. It's actually like a boob tube, but with off-shoulder sleeve. I'm loving everything. So everything, as you can see in this my shop, is going online, and they're actually on sale. So good price for you. Run, buy yours. Oh, this is my boob tube. I love this boob tube. I love it. It's with velcro, so buy one get one free. You can wear either side. You can wear with your jacket. And then for the dog lovers, this is throw pillow cover for dog lovers. I love it because my daughter loves dog, so I make this one for her room. Then you can also have some in your sitting room or wherever. It's really gorgeous. I love it. I love everything I have. I told you, I just realized that this mannequin was not well placed, so I'm going to readjust the mannequin right now. While I'm trying to readjust the mannequin, please follow me on Instagram as Marusiami, Facebook as Marusiami, TikTok as Mary's Lifestyle. Woo, we're on TikTok as well. We show fashion, how to dress, and all those stuff. And please subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe. If this is your first time in my channel, you're so welcome. I have fabric, as you can see. These fabric are meant for you to buy, and I make you some dresses. So look on my website, you see some fabric. Choose any one, send me your measurement, or just send me your measurement, and I'm going to make you something gorgeous with it. And this is a lovely sun hat which I made the last time. Gorgeous. Everything here is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love it. This is another gorgeous trendy palazzo pants. We have different sizes on the website. We have them for sale. Remember, everything is discounted. They're all on sale. Go to the website, click and buy. We ship them. You get it between 3 to 10 working days depending on where you are. Then this lovely dress with the bow. The combination is gorgeous. It's out of this world. I love that. And then I have this bling bling. Ooh, the bling bling. Everybody loves bling bling. Every girl loves bling bling. Summer bling. Yes. And then I have this bling bling dinner dress. Silver. You can't go wrong at night. You want to go for dinner. You need that in your wardrobe. And then I'm going to take you through some of the accessories that I have. Accessories is good to add a little, value to whatever you're making, and add beauty to them. So I have some bias, and I have some squash fabric in the shop. This squash fabric is what I use in making these scrunchies and some of my headbands. In most of my tutorial, I told you I like to recycle things. So all this fabric, squash fabric you're seeing, is useful to recycle to make some things like scrunchies, the headband, the earrings. So do not trash any of your leftover fabric. You can use them to make something nice. Somebody's rubbish might be somebody's treasure. So let's work together to keep the world a better place. Thank you so much for joining me in my shop today to reorganize and to move online. I love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you.